Hello guys, I am Satyam and you are here on our one and all channel Satyam Ideal Learning. And today we are going to start with our new topic, change of state on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. So let's start. At the very first, what is change of state? Now see, when heat energy is absorbed or released or given out by a substance, in addition to rise or fall in temperature or change in dimensions of substance, its state may also change. Okay, so that is only the change of state, in which when we change the state, like we have taken an ice cube. Okay, now I am providing heat to it, it changes into liquid state, and when I provide more heat to the liquid, then it will change into gaseous state. Okay, and conversely, if I give out heat from the steam, then what will happen? It will change into water, into liquid state. And if I release more heat, or if I cool the water, then what will happen? It will change into solid state in an ice cube, in water when we are taking. So this was about change of state. Now on the basis of kinetic theory of matter, how the change of state is there in solid to liquid and liquid to gas. For example, now when we are taking solid to liquid, see, if we take a ice cube, okay, and I am providing heat to it. So if a solid has been provided heat, then what will happen? The molecules which are there inside the solid will gain heat energy, and because of that heat energy, their kinetic energy will be formed, and with more heat is been provided, then they will vibrate to their mean position. Okay, with more and more amplitude. Okay, so they will vibrate at their mean position with more and more amplitude, and because of this, what will happen? The intermolecular space will increase and the intermolecular force will decrease. Okay, so when the intermolecular space is increasing, then what will happen? They will interchange their position, they can interchange their position, and because of this, they change into liquid state from solid. Simple, it is very simple. Okay, just the thing only is that the kinetic energy, because of the kinetic energy, they can interchange their position. The intermolecular space is increasing. And you know, when the solid changes into liquid state, the heat which we are providing, okay, what the heat is doing? Heat is only changing its state. It is not used in changing the temperature of the substance. It is only utilized in increasing the intermolecular space and decreasing the intermolecular force. Okay, so the heat is using for this purpose only. Clear? And when we change the state from liquid to gaseous state on the basis of kinetic theory of matter, then what will we do? Now see, when we take a liquid, when we are providing more and more heat to the liquid, what will happen? Its temperature will rise. And what is being done? Its kinetic energy also increase. The molecules have kinetic energy and it will increase and increase. So the intermolecular space will also increase and the intermolecular force will also decrease. Okay, so intermolecular space will increase, and because of this, they can interchange their position, more and more interchanging their position. So the intermolecular space is being wider now, so they can interchange their position wider. Okay, so like these are two molecules, and when heat is provided, they can interchange their position like this way. Okay, they can interchange their position, means they can move wider area, they have wider area, and that is why the liquid is changing into gaseous state with the production of heat, regular heat. When we are providing, its kinetic energy will become more than the intermolecular force, and because of this, it will change into the gaseous state. And now also the same situation happens. The heat which we are providing the substance liquid, doesn't change the temperature of that substance. It is only used in increasing the intermolecular space. Okay, it is not rising the temperature. See, don't be confused. When the temperature of a liquid has been rising to a point at a particular temperature, it has been changed into vapor. Okay, at a particular temperature only, na. So that I am only saying that the heat which has been provided at a particular temperature, that is used in changing the state. It is not used in changing the temperature. I think you have been clear to all of this change of state from solid to liquid and liquid to gas with the kinetic theory of matter. If you don't understand, watch my video again and you will understand betterly. Okay. So thank you. We'll meet in the next time. Bye bye.